I want to give you something valuable. Pay attention. The success, progress, or growth of your business does not depend only on promotion or advertisement. Get this right. Advertisement simply communicates, reveals, or amplifies what your business already is. If your business is strong, good, it accelerates growth. But if your business is weak, it accelerates failure. So before you spend millions of money running ads, fix your value. It is simple. Fix the experience you want for the customer. Fix the offer that you're giving to people. Don't spend money to amplify noise. Amplify value.